Shielded metal arc welding (SMAW), also known as stick welding, is one of the most widely used and versatile welding methods. Here's a breakdown of what it is, how it works, and where it's typically used. What is shielded metal arc welding? SMAW is a manual arc welding process where a consumable metal electrode coated in flux is used to join metals. When the arc is struck between the electrode and the base metal, it generates intense heat that melts both the electrode and the base material. How it works? The arc, an electric current flows through the electrode to the metal, creating an arc. Melting, the heat of the arc melts the tip of the electrode and the surface of the workpiece. Shielding, the flux coating on the electrode vaporizes, creating a gas shield and forming a slag layer that protects the weld pool from atmospheric contamination. Solidification, the molten weld pool solidifies into a strong joint once it cools. Key components: electrode rod filler metal plus flux coating. Power supply, usually DC or AC. Ground clamp, completes the electrical circuit. Workpiece, the metal being welded. Advantages: low-cost equipment. Portable and works well outdoors. Effective on rusty or dirty metals. Works with a variety of metals: steel, stainless, cast iron. Common applications: structural steel work, shipbuilding, pipelines and pressure vessels, maintenance and repair, construction sites and remote fieldwork. If you're seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever a new video drops. For more information on arc welding machines, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.